So, and he got a ZR2 though, and I'm dying to see it. Here we are, Ray's shop. Look at that Colorado though. Look at that Colorado. It's a ZR2. Hello. I saw that nice Colorado outside. How are you, man? I drove another day. I was like, I can't believe he got a Colorado.
Yeah, when it came out, when they were introducing, I think in 17, the ZR2, I saw a promo, and it was actually a prototype truck, and it was green. And I told my kid, as soon as I saw it, was a picture of it coming straight out, that they still use that. And I told him, I said, and I had just gotten the Av. I had the Av a couple of years. I'm like, that's my next truck. Nice. That's my next truck.
And I'll tell you though, you're gonna love that.
I'll tell you what, I've had it about a week now. Actually, yeah, exactly a week. Yesterday was a week. I picked it up the day before Thanksgiving.
Nice, nice. Yeah, if you're not familiar with Ray's shop, he has like a Corvette shop. This is the worst Corvette I ever seen. It's the worst. This guy is so annoying. He doesn't even, doesn't even let you get close to his Corvette. So never walk by his Corvette, never. If you see this Corvette here, and it's ugly, super ugly. Pete, I love you. Pete, looking nice, dude. Looking really good. He did a bunch of stuff on this car. It's beautiful. It's beautiful. It's getting even better. Well, you guys probably saw this one as well. This C5. It's his son's C5. Which is pretty sweet. Those are the wheels I wanted for my C6, the C7 wheels, which is actually that one C6 Z06 underneath of the cover.
This is going to be the style. These are coming off. This is going to be the style, except for now, this one's wider than this one. We're going to take the wider one, move it to the back, move the narrow one to the front, and it's going to be connected like the Carbon 65.
Carbon 65.
And it's going to be all this, the brush.
Oh, gotcha. Really better.
I just finished those with Calipers. I just did those. This at one time was 1,000 horsepower. It's about
1,000 horsepower?
It's about 1,000. It's about 7 something now. Twin turbo car.
Ah, it's a twin turbo.
Yeah, twin turbos. C5 guy's got 150 grand in this car easy. Rocket man.
It's what? It's a Z06?
No, this is just a base C5. He just went balls out. He put 150 grand in this car. It's a 97. But this car's beautiful.
Oh, it's beautiful. Look at that.
Yeah, this car's beautiful.
I like the headlights.
Yeah, that's a European light.
Yeah, I really like it.
I'm honored to have it here. Rocket Man doesn't let anybody touch his car.
It's brand new. Look at that.
1997.
Did you put it in the brakes in?
Those calipers are actually 10 years old. I just refinished them.
Oh, you refinished?
I just repainted them, ceramic epoxied them, and I just installed the Willwood graphics on them. And now tomorrow it'll get clear coated.
Wow.
Right over the graphics, and then he'll have another 10 years.
Yeah. I was thinking about to do something like this on mine.
Right, see his rotors, 2-piece Willwood rotors, very expensive, but he wants to refinish the face of the hats because they're all nicked up and paint this. So this will be black now, that galvanized will be black out to here, and then this will be refinished. The sides are fine, they're all
nice. So if you guys don't know, Ray's
The Office.
The Office. So his
that's never done.
His shop is mainly what? Corvettes, right?
I mean, anything hot rod. Anything hot rod. Anything.
But if you want your Corvette being like pristine, here's the place.
Corvettes are.
You do everything, right?
Yeah. Corvettes are.
Engine, paint.
Yeah. Well, paint. I do everything except the actual small stuff like this. Full cars, no.
You do it.
We'll do wide body kits, but then I send the paint to someone else that I have.
So but you assemble everything
here.
Yeah,
we'll process everything and then we just send it down to Chester to actually shop.
I'll tell you guys, I never seen a shop clean like this. Man, that's awesome. I gotta say, I gotta tell you.
Right now it's dirty.
Come on. And he has like all the time he went to Carlisle. It's a big Corvette guy, so you guys probably saw his Corvette on my channel before. Dude, I'm so glad you got a Colorado.
You cut me, I bleed both eyes. I've been Chevy and I've owned them all. I've had Fords, I've had Mopars. I had a 69 Coronet RT, I had a 70 Challenger Hemi car. I've had some really fast Mopars, but Chevys.
Chevys have been very. I always tell everybody I'm a Chevy guy.
Chevys, I'm telling you, I've owned them all, and Chevys have been the best. At one time, we had a company that owned 62 Ford trucks. I'll never buy a Ford.
Gotcha.
I'll never buy a Ford.
Gotcha. But I really love what you did with the calipers though, because I just removed mine, the cover, right? And I clean it up.
Yep, I even put plastic down because I don't want to get paint on my floor.
But you put it, you remove those, right?
Yeah.
To paint it.
Yeah. They come off. They get painted usually hanging on the car. I'll cover the car. I'll bag everything off. I'll usually hang them, and I use an airbrush. I use ceramic epoxies.
How do you do the white, or was white?
No, these are actually vinyl graphics
Vinyl, okay.
that I have made, high heat vinyl, and then I install those in the indentations because they actually were indented.
Okay, gotcha.
Then now I will clear coat these again with a high heat clear coat, so they'll be sealed.
Gotcha. Can you do the same with the Corvette one?
Yep, Petey's. I did Petey's, but we did Petey's in black.
Oh, okay.
So wheels and tires. And
which wheels he has on it?
He has very expensive.
They are sweet.
Very expensive 3-piece wheel.
Yeah, 3-piece wheel. Yeah. Wow, he went all in his car, right?
Yeah, he's an older man, 80s.
He's part of your club?
Yes. Very good friend of Pete's also. We call him Rocket Man. His name is Joe, but we call him Rocket Man, and this is why. But at one time, this car was 1,000 horsepower. He's in his 80s now. He's tuned it down. He actually pulled the 427 out of it, went to I think it's a 6.2 in it now, or a 6-liter. It had a 427 in it at one time, bigger turbos. It was 1,000 horse. He's 80, and he likes to drive the car. So
what he's making now, 700?
He's in 7s, but he could run on pump gas now. See, before he couldn't run on pump gas, he could only run on race fuel, and he moved to Pennsylvania, and you can't get race fuel up there. He can get E85, but he can't get race fuel. So smaller turbos, went with a different motor, different block, and tuned the car down to, he's in the 7s now, exactly.
And he still drives
Oh yeah, he drives his car. He drives his car. I mean, he's an hour and a half from me, and he drove it to me, and
That's what I was asking.
He's freaking out. He's going, Ray, is the car done? He says, because we got the snow. He's like, I'm not coming to get it. I'm not coming to get it. He says, find someone with a trailer. He says, and I'll pay you to tow it up here. But I mean, Tuesday we're going to be 60.
I know.
They're showing rain Sunday, rain Monday, Tuesday 60. So I told him, I said, dude, I will do everything to have this car done, so you can take it home Tuesday or Wednesday.
Yeah.
You know, because then it's all done. I still have so much to do. I got to finish. Side skirts are wrapped.
Oh, see.
Like the carbon, and I'm clear coating them. So I did the one that's already off on that side. Has been clear coated. It's in my office, but this one I can't get off now until I take it down. But I also have a steering wheel I have to put on it.
Oh, that's nice.
It's an $800 steering wheel.
I know.
It's gonna be freaking stunning. So that I still have to put that in. The hardest part's getting past the airbag.
Yeah, that's true, right? And he has what, the stock one now?
Yeah, he's got the stock 2-tone.
Yeah, that looks so sweet.
Yeah, this is a beautiful car.
It is.
I'm honored to have this here. Yeah. And I don't know, last time you were here, this has been here for over a month now.
The ZR1?
Yeah.
Yeah, under the cover has a ZR1. So just so you guys can see the kind of car he has. So he has the look, you see? And he's doing everything.
This is a $120,000 car, at least it was in 2011.
Yeah.
But so we got a rebuilt Supercharger going back on, an LS9 Supercharger.
So you got everything you need now.
Yeah, it's all came in right there, spanking, rebuilt, ready to go. Fuel injectors, throttle body, hook up the blowouts. That's pretty much it.
So it's good to go.
It's good to go. $2,000 later, have that thing rebuilt.
Wow.
Yeah, $2,000, but it needed new
everything.
New screws.
New screws. Got
it. Friggin' rotor packs were shot, bearings went. But she's ready to go now.
Cool.
She'll be back to 680 horse in a couple more days.
Oh, sorry.
That's just me cleaning rotors. I gotta clean them before I take them.
And he's saying that his shop is not clean. Look at this. It's unbelievable, though. You should be proud, though, because it's hard to keep it clean like this.
You know, that's me if you saw my own garage at my house.
Oh, yeah, at home is always like that, right?
Do you remember the red CR1?
Yeah, that was here, right?
That left 2 weeks ago, but you can see finished product.
Wow. Yeah, that's what, the 1990?
1990.
1990 ZR1.
Yeah, this is what I specialize in, is cosmetic restoration, engine restoration, brake restoration. I restore anything, but my forte is cosmetics, is when you want it to look like the best it possibly can. That's what we do.
I just love it. I remember.
That's hand painted.
Yeah, I remember you were waiting for like plugs and stuff.
Every one of these letters, hand painted, everything on the top of the plenum. All that hand painted, all hand painted, all hand painted.
Nice, really nice, man.
Yeah, this one I'm proud of. This one I'm thinking is probably going to be, where is it? What's just the best picture of that motor? I'm thinking it's probably that one.
I think that
probably
one. Right?
That one. I'm getting that blowing up in an 8x10.
Oh yeah, put it in.
And it's going on the wall.
Yeah,
and then my C4 motor is almost as nice. It's a different motor, but that's where he got this idea.
Ah, he saw yours and say like, I'll do it.
For a year, and he's like, do mine, do mine, do mine. Like,
yeah, because it looks like brand new.
Yeah.
So you guys heard. So if you need anything from Corvettes or anything, you can contact Ray. His information is gonna be on the description below. You guys gonna get a lot of ZR2 stuff as well. So thank you, Ray, for your friendship and the fact you let me record with your Colorado and stuff. Again, thank you so much for watching, guys. We're gonna come back when he's almost done with his Colorado. We're gonna come back. I hope you guys enjoyed today's upload as always. Thanks so much for watching. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Never forget, enjoy your life.